So welcome back guys. Today's video is about Air Jordan 1 MIDS Aqua. Yeah, the branding or marketing was with Aqua. So let's get started. Same the Jumpman number. Yeah, this one I got in size UK 9. I am 8 or 8.5, but I got this one for UK 9. I was quick with that one. But the color is black aura green smoky gray. But it's definitely Aqua. Like they marketed it as Aqua. So here we go. Same, the branding 23, the Jumpman number, and this is the colorway. Yeah, originally I wanted to keep these for myself, but again, as I mentioned in previous videos, I don't like the black color. So you can see in real light they're pretty decent looking color. Like the aqua in it is pretty decent. I'm Aquarius and my color is somewhere around turquoise. So this is very nice color, but still like three colors I don't like. If the black one was white, the then I would have kept it. But after reviewing the Hulk colorway, I am pretty sure that I want those ones, and I'm also sure that the sizing of this would be an issue because the way I prefer to wear these or the Air Jordan 1 mids is not something which this size is going to accommodate. But here we go with the on-feet review. So you see, that's why I prefer to go a size up, even though these feel comfortable. But the way the Hulkbusters looked at, yeah, I prefer to wear it like them, so that it's loose, because I don't want to wear them for the sake of wearing a shoe. I want to like it goes with a dressing. It's a whole attire. So I want it to feel different, and I would rather have gotten these in bigger size, but unfortunately I got in them in size UK 9. So I'm definitely gonna flip them. Not gonna keep them for sure. Hulkbusters I'm gonna keep for sure, 100%. But these ones, yeah, pretty decent color, but still, mm, the size is something which I will not prefer. So do drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.